Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with Class 6 Science Chapter 2 Components of Food. Okay, in the earlier videos we have read about nutrients, what are its importance, what are the sources, and about different components of food. Means apart from that nutrients, we have water and roughage, the other components of food that are very important for in our diet. Okay, but one more important point is there, that is test of carbohydrate, protein and fats in the food items. Okay, how we'll come to know that this food is containing carbohydrates, this food is containing proteins in it, and this food is containing fats in it. These three tests we can do by ourselves. Vitamins and minerals, we are not doing the test. Okay, why? Because vitamins and minerals are not of one kind, they are of different kinds. But just now we will read about the test of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Children, firstly carbohydrates, you know very well, these are also energy giving, known as energy giving food. Now how you can test the carbohydrate? Before that you should know carbohydrates are of two types. It is present in two forms in our food. First is in the form of sugar. Sugar we are having, that is having carbohydrates in it. Okay, sugar cane you are taking, that is having carbohydrates in the form of sugar. Potato, that is having starch. Carbohydrates is present in the form of starch in potatoes. Okay, so this is the test. This is the first test of carbohydrate, which form of starch form. Okay, so this is the test for starch in the food items. I have taken just two potatoes. I have taken potatoes. You can take any of the food item and test whether carbohydrate is present in it or not. उसके लिए आपको पहले food item लेना होगा. आपने food item लिया, that is the first step. Okay, that take any food item, right, which you have to test. उसके बाद आपने क्या किया? You have to take iodine solution. Iodine solution you can make by yourself. That iodine in that tincture iodine, that namak, उसमें आप पानी मिलाइए, एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में डाल लीजिए, तो that is also iodine solution. Okay, so you can have iodine, dilute iodine solution means liquid iodine solution. Put dilute iodine solution in this. You have to cut this. आपने पोटैटो को कट किया, हाफ पोटैटो लिया, आपने ड्रॉपर में आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन लिया, पुट 2 or 3 ड्रॉप्स. कितने ड्रॉप्स डाले आपने? 2 to 3 ड्रॉप्स आपने डाले इसमें. Then after some time what you will see, the color of the potato or the food item, आपने जिस food item में that iodine solution को डाला है, that will turn into blue black color. Its color gets changed. Its color gets changed into blue black. This shows the presence of starch in it. STARCH, starch in it. Right? Means carbohydrates are present in that food item. So children, let us come to the next. So children, we have just now read about test of carbohydrate. Now come to the next, that is proteins. Okay, proteins, we have to test protein. Protein is present in your dal, pulses you are eating. In that proteins are present. Now you have to test. So the very first thing what we have to do, we have to take the food item जिसका हमें टेस्ट करना है, वो food item हम लेंगे. अगर वो solid है then paste it or grind it. आप उसको paste बना लीजिए. Then put in clean test tube. उसको हमने एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में, क्लीन टेस्ट ट्यूब लिया, उसमें वो फूड आइटम हमने थोड़ा सा डाल दिया. ओके, देन आफ्टर एड 10 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर टू इट. उसको डाइल्यूट कर दिया, उसको पानी डाल के उसको थोड़ा सा गीला कर दिया. ओके, यू हैव टू पुट 10 or 12 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर टू इट. उसके बाद शेक इट लिटिल बिट. ओके, उसको अच्छे से मिक्स करेंगे, शेक करेंगे. Then what you have to do? You have to put 2 or 3 drops of copper sulfate solution. Okay, you have to put what? Copper sulfate solution. If you are having copper sulfate with you, then add some water to it. Then it will become dilute copper sulfate or copper sulfate solution. Then after, add 2 or 3 drops of copper sulfate. In that only you have to add 10 drops of caustic soda. Okay, both the things you have to add to it. Then what you will get, see, you have to wait for a few minutes. When you will wait for a few minutes, then what you will see, look here, then it will turn its color. Means the food item will change its color. It becomes violet. What is the color? It becomes violet in color, and that violet color indicates that that food item contains protein in it. Right, children? So in this way you have to taste the presence of protein in the food item. It is clear to you? Again, I just revise it. You have to take a food item which you have to test. Okay? Put it in clean test tube. अगर वो solid है, put some 10 or 12 drops of water. उसको dilute कर लेंगे. Then add. Okay? उसके बाद shake करेंगे उसको. Then after you have to put what? Copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda. आपने डाल दिया उसमें. Wait for a few minutes. What will happen? That will change the color and that will become violet in color. Violet color अगर हो गया उसका, that means what is present in it? Protein is present in it. So we have done of carbohydrate test and we have done of protein test. Now is of fats. Now the test is of fats. आप तो वैसे भी आप गुरुद्वारे जाते ही होंगे. हाँ, आप कभी गुरुद्वारे गए हैं? अगर नहीं गए, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि नहीं गए, आप जाते ही होंगे गुरुद्वारे. गुरुद्वारे में जो हलवा मिलता है, when you are taking that in your hand, then what will happen? आपके हाथ पूरे घी से गीले हो जाते हैं. अगर आपने उसको किसी कागज में रख लिया, तो वो कागज जब आप हटाते हैं तो आप क्या देखते हैं, वो बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट सा हो जाता, ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाता है. That means that is the test for fats. That means ghee is present in it. Fat is present in it. Ghee is the source of fats. Okay. So let us see the test for fats. This is the third test. What you have to take? You have to take just भी food item में आपको देखना है कि fat is present or not. Firstly, you have to take food item. Then first step is this. Then put it in clean paper. Okay. What you will see after some time, when you will remove the food item and take out that paper, what you will see? Oily patches. What you will see? Oily patches on paper. Okay, oily patches on the paper. This shows that what? There is presence of fats in the food item. So children, in this video we have done the test of carbohydrate, proteins and fats in our food. So subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel. आगे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में I'll tell you about, अगर हम जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं अपने that in our diet, if that is not in right क्वांटिटी, अगर वो राइट क्वांटिटी में है तो ठीक है. Balanced diet, if we take all the nutrients in right quantity or right amount, then that diet is known as balanced diet. अगर कोई भी न्यूट्रेंट हमने थोड़ा कम ले लिया या बहुत ज्यादा ले लिया, if we take any nutrient in less quantity, what is required? Less than that, or we have taken more of it, okay, then there is problem in it. Which problem we are facing? We are facing deficiency diseases. लेकिन अगर हमने ज्यादा ले लिया, that is also very very dangerous for our health. That only is known as, if we are taking more and more that junk food, घी वाली चीजें ज्यादा खा ली, ऑयली चीजें ज्यादा खा ली, and all chips and all that, whatever you are eating, don't eat too much. Okay, little bit it is okay, but अगर आप ज्यादा खाएंगे, then just nowadays we are facing a big problem in our children, that is obesity. So that all about all these diseases we will discuss in our next video. So goodbye children, subscribe my channel and like my channel, और जितना हो सके आप शेयर करिए ताकि 6th के बच्चे और साथ में और बच्चे भी इस वीडियो को देखें और कुछ सीखें. थैंक यू.